Hello, everyone. Today, we dive into the fascinating and ever-evolving world of online opportunities. As 2024 unfolds its innovations and digital trends, it's time to discover how to transform these advancements into tangible sources of income. From updated traditional methods to the most avant-garde tips, the digital world is full of often unsuspected possibilities. But how to navigate this sea of opportunities without getting lost? How to identify the most promising paths just waiting to be explored? In this video, I will unveil strategies that are not only lucrative but also exciting, tailored to the digital era of 2024. These methods, accessible to everyone, are specially designed to energize your creativity and awaken a true entrepreneurial spirit in you. Be ready to be surprised by their clever simplicity and ingenuity, qualities that make online success more accessible than ever. And to start, let's explore an option that is rapidly gaining in popularity and sophistication: creating a YouTube channel. In the digital universe of 2024, launching a YouTube channel has become a favored path to online success. However, choosing a specific niche is essential to captivate and retain a targeted audience. Popular options include news channels, offering updates and analysis on global events, educational channels focusing on subjects like science or history, or entertainment channels, such as gaming or movie reviews. Here, each niche attracts its own audience, and the key to success lies in creating content that is both unique and high quality, meeting the specific needs of your viewers. But how exactly do you start on YouTube, you might ask? There is an effective and profitable way that doesn't even require revealing your identity. Indeed, techniques such as animation, graphics, slideshows, and captivating narrations offer an attractive possibility for those wishing to launch on YouTube while maintaining their anonymity. Now that you have chosen your niche and started creating content, it's time to move on to the next step: monetization. YouTube offers various avenues for this, especially through its YouTube Partner program. This program is a real boon for content creators, allowing them to generate revenue through advertising. To be eligible, however, it is necessary to reach certain thresholds, such as a minimum number of viewing hours and a certain number of subscribers. Additionally, super chats during live streams, affiliate marketing, or sponsored partnerships are other effective ways to monetize your passion. However, to get there, remember that the real secret to success on YouTube lies in your ability to maintain a consistent quality in your content. This commitment to quality and originality is what will build a loyal audience and open doors to various and profitable monetization opportunities. 2. Creating and selling online courses. Nowadays, creating and selling online courses is a fascinating and lucrative journey. Imagine this: once your course is developed and available online, it becomes a source of passive income, generating continuous profits without requiring additional effort on your part. This method is an attractive and effective way to share your knowledge and skills while benefiting from a stable and durable source of income. But the most attractive aspect of this model is especially the range of platforms available to host and sell your courses. Take, for example, Studier.com, a platform that warmly welcomes instructors with its ease of use and free access. Here, you have the freedom to create courses on a wide range of subjects. All you need to do is produce quality videos, film yourself teaching, and upload your courses to the platform. Whether your passion is programming, marketing, or any other field, Studier.com offers you the ideal platform to share your expertise. But that's not all, because the sales process on Studier.com is also remarkably simplified. Once your courses are online, they indeed become accessible to a wide audience of students eager for knowledge. These learners can then easily browse your offer, select the courses that intrigue them, and make their purchases. This opens an incredible window to reach a broad audience without the hassles associated with marketing or distribution. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? 3. Creating content on TikTok. In 2024, TikTok has firmly established itself as fertile ground for content creators looking to build an online presence and generate revenue. Known for its short, impactful videos, this platform has become a veritable trend incubator, a crossroads where creativity meets innovation. It's a space where everyone can express their art, share knowledge, or entertain, blurring the lines between artist, educator, and comedian. In this dynamic universe, whether you're sharing culinary tips, catchy dance moves, or reflections on everyday life, it's your uniqueness that will captivate the audience. The goal is to find that unique spark that drives you and in turn ignites the enthusiasm of your audience. But TikTok is more than just a space for creativity. It's a stage where trends are born and flourish. A place where keeping up with the latest hashtags, taking on viral challenges, or riding the wave of popular melodies can catapult your content into the spotlight. Now, let's talk business. TikTok is not just a space to share your passion, it's also a tangible way to monetize it. By building a loyal audience, doors open for brand collaborations, turning your popular videos into sources of revenue. Moreover, TikTok also directly rewards its most successful creators through its Creator Fund, offering compensation for videos that captivate and engage the most. For those who enjoy real-time interaction, live streaming on TikTok provides an additional avenue for income, with enthusiastic fans contributing tips to express their appreciation. This creates an authentic and rewarding connection, where each live stream is an opportunity to strengthen bonds with your audience while receiving financial support. So, are you ready to dive into the world of TikTok? On this app, each video is a gateway to new possibilities, and in 2024, this platform is more than ever a space where passion and profit meet. 4. Creating educational content for children. This year, the world of children's education is entering a new era, where creating educational content becomes both enriching and promising. Imagine diving into a universe where you have the power to awaken the curiosity and imagination of young minds. It's a unique opportunity to marry learning and entertainment, capturing children's attention with content that stimulates not just their intellect, but also their creativity. In this fascinating field, the challenge is to create learning experiences that captivate children, born into a digital era and accustomed to constant interactivity. Colorful and dynamic videos, e-books enriched with animations and sounds, apps that combine play and education. These are the ingredients for content that both amuses and educates, playing a vital role in children's development. As for distributing these educational wonders, the possibilities are vast and varied. For example, Amazon serves as a global showcase for e-books, offering a platform where your creations can reach families worldwide. But that's not all. Platforms like Google Play and the App Store are ideal grounds for launching innovative educational apps, while sites like Udemy or Coursera open the doors to video courses for the younger ones. Each platform thus offers a unique window to share your passion for education and reach a global audience, all while generating substantial revenue. 5. Creating an online store. Launching your own online store is an exciting entrepreneurial venture. It's a unique chance to share your products or services with the world, build a brand that reflects you, and enjoy a potentially lucrative source of revenue. Whether you're considering selling handmade creations, fashion items, digital products, or even exploring the world of dropshipping, the possibilities are vast and varied. Dropshipping, in particular, is an interesting option that allows you to sell products without managing inventory, simplifying logistics and initial investments. However, you might wonder, where to start in launching your online store? It may seem intimidating at first. Fortunately, with platforms like Creer.ai, turning this idea into reality becomes a simple and enjoyable process. Specifically designed for entrepreneurs eager to quickly launch their website, Creer.ai eliminates the usual technical complexity. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes customizing your site not just easy but also fun. Additionally, a wide choice of templates is at your disposal, ensuring a perfect harmony with your brand's aesthetic. Thus, once registered, your site is ready in just a few clicks, perfectly tailored to your needs. But that's not all. The daily management of your online store is also made easy and efficient thanks to the many user-friendly features of the platform. In the end, opting for Creer.ai to start your online store is to embrace a decidedly modern and opportunity-rich entrepreneurial journey. It represents an invaluable chance to transform a simple idea or passion into a thriving business, firmly placing you in control of your commercial future. So, are you ready to take the leap and embark on this thrilling entrepreneurial adventure? In conclusion, the year 2024 offers a fascinating array of possibilities for making money online. Whether it's through creating engaging content on TikTok, developing educational online courses, or setting up an online store with platforms like Creer.ai, the opportunities are as varied as they are promising. Each of these paths not only represents a way to financial success but also a chance to express your creativity, share your knowledge, and establish a connection with a global audience. The key is to choose a path that resonates with your passions and skills, and to embrace it with determination and innovation. So, what will be your next step in this exciting journey? The digital world of 2024 is your playground, and the possibilities are endless.